Good afternoon, everybody. James here with Goings Enterprises, LLC on the square in downtown Girard, wrapping up my final video of the day. We're calling this one Weird Science Wednesday. Okay. We've been discussing in the science videos about the weak points of the Big Bang Theory and why I've never fully bought into the rigid structure of the Big Bang Theory and have my own theories to go along with that. So one of the weak points is Hubble tension. And if you want to look up Hubble tension, it basically describes how there are discrepancies in the measurements of the expansion that should be taking place if we're following the standard model. Now, Hubble was a brilliant guy. He was an astronomer who, in the late 1920s, observed that the Andromeda Nebula was actually not a nebula, but a galaxy. And not just that, but in the words of South Park, it's headed right for us. So he also used blue shift to observe that Andromeda is actually heading towards us, but he also further observed that a lot of galaxies, most galaxies in fact, are going away from each other. And not just that, but objects that are closest to us are going away from us at a certain rate, but objects that are way further away from us are going away from us even faster. So I'm sure you've seen this demonstration in school or in college or in a physics class, but think of it like this. All three of these pendulums, actually fidget keychains that we make here, spread equally apart. When I stretch the band, they're flying away from each other, right? And the Big Bang Theory says everything is flying away from everything else, right? Now, say this gray one here is what we believe to be Earth. In fact, let's go with green because, blue and green ball, right? So the middle one is appearing to go away from us if we're looking down this way at a specific rate, and the gray one is appearing to go twice as fast. So one of the problems in the Big Bang Theory is Hubble tension, where we have mass discrepancies in a lot of these measurements that, at least right now, cannot be rectified. And in fact, in the late 90s, they coined the term dark energy because they observed that this phenomenon appears to be speeding up. And that'll be our next video. We'll go over some dark energy stuff. And let me know what you think in the comments. Merch links below. Love y'all. Be good. Take care of each other. Till next time.